Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to edit or how to change your email on your account on Alibaba easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then go to this to the bottom in the right. Here you will find your profile up here. Click on it. Now as you see here, you will find email. Click edit, and as you see here, a code that was sent to your email, so go check it and then you can add it here and you can change it. So that's it. That's how to change your email easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.